guys, Faby here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying this summer season. Summer se yaad hai, please can you switch on the AC? बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है, especially here in Mumbai. What about you guys? Where are you from and what is the temperature in your city? Let me know in the comment section down below. You can already see I'm already decked up, but I'm not going to show you guys how I created this look. Instead, it's going to be a haul video. Yes, this is the first time I'm recording a haul video for my channel. So let's get started with the haul. So these are the boxes which I have received and you can't see me. Oops, for a side. Yep. So I have ordered these makeup products from fashionova.com. They have their own makeup line which is named as Maven Beauty. I'm going to link all the product details and all the links in the description down below so you can check it out. So this is the brush set which I've ordered, and yes, I already own these brushes and this is my second set. I love it so much. Let me open this and show you guys what's inside. So these are the brushes which I've ordered. So I'll show you guys my favorite ones which I use on daily basis. So this is a buffing brush. I love to use it for my contouring, for my under eye. Another one which I use for my contouring is this one. I just love it. It just blends my contour beautifully. This is the brush which I use for my concealer. And one more reason which is why I love these brushes is that these are 100% vegan. Now let me show you guys what's inside this box. तो सारे प्रोडक्ट मैंने एक ही बॉक्स में शिफ्ट कर लिए हैं. So let me just open each brush. Wow, this is in shade Crave. It's so difficult with these nails. This is super amazing. I love this shade. Super pigmented, as you guys can see. So I've ordered I think 7 to 8 blushes. Ow. I think it has a little sheen to it. So if you want to create a sun-kissed look and you don't want to apply highlighter, then this blush is perfect for that. This one is in shade Plush Matte. I personally prefer matte brushes. I'm going to wear this more often because I love pink blushes. Next one is in shade Crush. This is also matte. Wow, I love this shade. This is like watermelon. Next shade is called Raina. So this one is in pearl. That means it has sheen to it and I love it. So the next one is called Spent. It's going to be my bronzer. And then the next one is called Solar. I'm going to use it as my highlighter, I think. This is called Orchid. Wait, let me just swatch this one for you guys because this is such a different shade. Whoa. Whoa. So these are the eyeshadow palettes. Let me just open. This one is in shade Spotlight and this one is Soft Blend. And I'm not able to open it. Finally. So if you guys are looking for any basic eyeshadow palette, so you should go for this. So you can use it on your lids or you can use them as a highlighter. You can use this if you're going out for partying or even on everyday basis. Like, so there's a new trend going on where you just apply a smudgy liner and then on top of smudgy liner you just add pigments or glitters and yeah, and you're good to go. So next up is this Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Well before use after makeup application, and I'm going to do that because I forgot to apply the setting spray. So next I've ordered lipstick. I've ordered 5 lipsticks, so let me just open all the packages. So these are the 5 lipsticks which I've ordered. I'll just show you the shade. So the first one is called Vape and I'm going to try this one. So मैंने लिपस्टिक के ऊपर लगाई तो इतना accurate shade नहीं है. So this is the shade and I am loving it. Next one is called Foxy and this is the shade. So the next one is called Biuna. Such a beautiful nude shade. So the next one is called Maven Orange. This is such a pretty shade. And the last one is called On Sight. So this is similar to Foxy, I think, just a shade lighter. I don't own these kind of shades, so that's why I've ordered 2 similar shades. So these are the 4 lashes which I've ordered and I love the packaging. With these lashes, if I'm opening the drawer, I can see which one to use clearly because these are clear packaging. ये था मेरा haul video. I've kept it very short and crisp. I am planning to make a tutorial using these products. Do let me know if you guys would be interested in watching. Do let me know if you guys have enjoyed watching my haul video. This was my first one. I was clueless like how to do it exactly, but yeah, if you have enjoyed, do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.